Hey guys, it's Ava. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ava, and in today's video, we are going to be making some candy in this sour candy factory kit. And I just realized that the last time I was standing right here in the kitchen, I was in the exact same romper, and that was, I think, 9 months ago, so that's kind of crazy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ava, and in today's video, we are going to be trying to make a 4-tiered, 2-layer cake. But before we get started, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, before we get started, make sure you guys smash that like and smash the subscribe button, press the bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and follow me on all social medias, links will be in the description down below, at TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. So yeah, I'm kind of excited. It says you can make lollipops, gummy, sour candy, sour powder, liquid candy, and hard candy. I think we're gonna make some sour gummies because I've never made gummies in my life. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Let's go! Okay, welcome back to my sort of placemat. So basically, we're going to be making some sour gummies. We got all this stuff laid out. Some of the stuff started to spill a little, so we just put some in the bags. Okay, so the first thing we need to do, so we're doing sour gummy candy. So what to do? Pour the gelatin and water into a small microwavable bowl and stir. So this is the gelatin. This is the gelatin. Okay, so now we're gonna pour. How much of this? Oh, 2 tablespoons of gelatin. So 1 tablespoon. Okay, so how am I supposed to scoop this out? Okay, so this is, imagine it was this much citric acid.
Yeah, let's do it.
There's not enough. Oh no. What are we supposed to use now? There's not enough.
So we'll just use a little less of the other ingredients.
All right. So, okay. And then add water into a small bowl. This is the water.
Yep. Don't use all of it. Use a little less.
All right. Like that much?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And now we stir.
Okay.
And now we put this in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay guys, so let's go microwave this for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Minute 30. Alright, it's cooking. We'll see you guys when it's done. It's done! Okay. Ooh. What's the point of microwaving this if you're gonna freeze it anyway? I don't know. Okay guys, so now we have to add in the flavoring and citric acid. So I'm going to be doing some raspberry flavoring. Wait, how much? 1.5 teaspoons of flavoring. So how do you get this out? Okay, so 1 teaspoon and a half. This is the half. I think that's good. And then we have to add in the citric acid, which is just 1 teaspoon of citric acid. So this stuff is very sour. 1 teaspoon is probably really sour too, so. Kind of going.
Add extra.
No, it's gonna be I'll just kind of like. Okay. And now we have to stir this. It doesn't say stir, but why wouldn't you stir it? And then we have to, stir in, okay, now pour into the candy mold. So where are the, wait, that actually smells like gummies now. Before guys off camera, we were saying it smelled bad. Now how do I pour this into here? We might have like extra. Oh, we use this fancy little tool. And then, how are we gonna get these into the freezer? I don't know. Okay guys, so we are going to put these in the freezer so the gelatin freezes and they become actual jelly. There's only like a few molds and we still have all this left. So we're probably going to make the rest of these off camera because this is going to take a while. So let's go put them in the freezer. Okay guys, let's put them in the freezer. Have to be careful not to spill them. Oh no. It's a little bit messy, but you know, it is what it is. We're gonna try looking for other molds off camera to see if we can make them quicker, and we will show you guys the final result once we're done. So I'll see you then. Okay guys, so it's about 20 minutes later. We left them in for a little bit longer, and now it's time to take them out. Ooh, they look like they have like white on the top or something. They look like gummies. They formed like a little thing on the top. Why are they white though? I'll try them first. It feels like Jell-O. These ones these are like very thin ones. They're hard on the top. Except for these. But yeah, let's try them. I'm kind of a little nervous. Okay, so I'm gonna take one out of the mold. Out. How do you get this? Are they stuck? I don't want to break the plastic. Alright, so let's try it. It kind of fell in pieces, but very sour. For some reason the sour hits over here. They're actually pretty good basil sour. Oh. Sorry. Ooh, that one's perfect. Oh. Alright. Alrighty guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, press the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Follow me on all social medias. Links will be in the description down below at TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. All at Ava Inc. And so yeah, we just made some sour gummies. Until the next time, bye!
What are you gonna put music over it?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't they like get bigger as they freeze?
Oh my god, what did he do? So that last blooper, actually, my brother was messing around with the camera, and I got so mad because every time I tried to film the outro, it kept falling down to the table, but I actually got to fix it, so don't worry, it's not broken or anything.